Greetings and salutations of peace. You are now in tune. I am Ital Iman. In the Dogon culture, Nyama refers to the life force or spiritual energy that animates both living beings and objects. When activated, it can be used for ritual purposes, connecting the living to spiritual realms and deities like Amma. Nyama as life force. Nyama is considered the essence of life, a vibrant and active force that permeates everything. Nyama can be activated through rituals such as sacrifices of animals or plants. Once the dead figure has fulfilled its purpose, stone of the Rastafari, it is typically discarded or hidden away, discovered by descendants. The mystical realm of the Dogon, the spiritual realm of the Dogon. At this point, while the figure no longer holds active ritual power, it may still be associated with the deceased or represent a specific spiritual being, the occult, hidden things of the Dogon, language, telepathic Sigiso. You are now in tune on the one, the force itself at this time. We call the Holy Master Blaster Jamin. One finding the DG is a very special person. Dogon religion centers around Amma, a figure like the Aman of the ancient Egyptian wisdom system, the supreme deity and the creator, Anu, along with Anu, the Nomo, the water god, Anunnaki, Enki, and Liwi, the earth god, Enki. Amma is considered a dualistic deity, embodying both masculine and feminine, representing balance and duality of the universe. We are speaking of the mystic reigns, Nyama. You are now in tune on the one, the force itself this time. We call it the Holy Master Blaster Jamin. The mystic reigns will fall in the year 2027. Nyama is the life force. Nyama is the essence of life. The mystic reigns of 2027, the 11th Dogon Sigi since 1447, 600 years, 2027. You are now in tune. Every 50 years, our sacred star Patolo rotates around the brightly shining star. That rotation is celebrated every 60 years. The 11th Dogon Sigi, 2027. You are now in tune. This is the song of the mystic reigns. I am your brother, the Rastafari, Ital Iman, and you are now in tune. On the one, the force itself, Nyama, the mystic reign.
What is important to note is that nature is a breathing consciousness. It is alive, it has its own heartbeat, rhythm, and set time like all other facets of earth, like a diamond clothed in sun rays. Ja people get ready, soon will be end to police brutality. Ja people, are you ready? Africans love one another. Ja time has come, get ready for the coming of the holy mothership. Ja people, are you ready? Ja people, sing it with me. Zion train is coming our way. Get ready to go to Zion. Rejoice, Ital Iman, I say. You are now in tune on the one, the force itself, the master blaster jamming. Africans love one another. Mothership is on her way. Dance, Jaja children dance in the rains of power falling in 2020. Sit 'em. Praise the sacred star for the mystic rain. Jaja children, can you hear me? Do you hear me? We dance in the mystic rains of time. Jaja children dancing in the mystic rain. Dancing in the mystic rain. Throw away greed, throw away strife, throw away fear, that your load be lighter. Sail the boat cheer down the river life. Dance in the holy light of smiles under the mystic rain. Dance, Rastafari children dance. Mothership is on her way. Mothership is on her way. Dancing in the mystic well. Throw away greed, throw away strife, throw away fear, that your load be lighter. Sail the boat cheer down the river life. Dance in the holy light of smiles under the mystic rain. Dance, Rastafari children dance. Mothership is on her way. Mothership is on her way. Mothership is on her way. Let me tell you something you don't know. Drink, this is the cosmic rain. I am Aquarius, the water pour. Judgment knocks at your door.
Jaja say things of past will be no more. Come sit in the dirt with me. Let me tell you what I know.
In an elliptical orbit, the small heavy star rotates around the large bright star. Every 50 years, when the bright star is seen between the two mountain peaks. In the year 2027, cosmic rain of power will fall from Sirius to Earth. That will be the day of the reunion of Sirius and the Earth, the twin placentas. Things of past will be no more. So Satan, you powers who think you be, do what you do, have your fun. Now the tables are truly turning. You are but dust in the hurricane. Everything has a turn. Mothership is on her way.
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 Oh, mothership is on her way.
Satan, the government must do what she may. Strong winds last night all day. For I have waited with an open bud. Spring comes, the grass grows of its own. Ooh, mothership is on her way.
nation is prayer that's answered in the light of smiles under dancing sun rays. So will the swallows return to Capistrano. Mothership is on her way.
Jaja say things of past will be no more. So much trouble in the world, war is in the air on wings of rumors. Natural disaster will bring Babylon the whore to her knees on the ground. Goes around, comes around, now your turn. Same old story, no, already told the people it's going to rain. You can rest upon that fact, like the torch of the water bear. I have come from the years to the war of time to activate all the hidden altars of desire, to the day of fulfillment of self-control, like a flower which blooms in due season. The rest which cures the illness of battle is the weapon of victory.
Three-eye Atlas shows Yahweh. Enki and Enlil on the one. Enki and Enlil on the one.
On the one,
On the one.
on the one.
Pure lyric is truth in rays of sun. All the flowers know it and they are laughing. This is song of the cosmic rain. You are now in tune on the one, the force itself. The holy master blaster jamming. Ital Iman, I say.
Ooh, Jah time is now. Oh, oh, oh.
Yeah.
Jah time is now. Oh,
Yeah. Yeah. Let me tell you something you don't know. Drink. This is the cosmic rain. I am Aquarius, the water pour. Judgment knocks at your door. Jah say things of past will be no more. Come sit in the dirt with me. Let me tell you what I know. In an elliptical orbit, the small heavy star rotates around the large bright star. Every 50 years when the bright star is seen between the two mountain peaks. In the year 2027, cosmic rain of power will fall from Sirius to Earth. That will be the day of the reunion of Sirius and the Earth, the twin placentas. Things of past will be no more. So Satan, your powers who think you be do what you do, have your fun. Now the tables are truly turning. You are but dust in the hurricane. Everything has a turn. Mothership is on her way. Satan, the government, must do what she may. Strong winds last not all day. For I have waited with an open bud. Spring comes, the grass grows of its own. Mothership is on her way. Mothership is on her way. Hey.
Mothership is on her way.
Mothership is on her way. Hey.
Truth is the invisible thread that binds all things from atoms to stars. True prayer is desire. Realization is prayer thus answered. In the light of smiles under dancing sun rays. So will the swallows return to Capistrano. Mothership is on her way. Hey.
Jah say things of past will be no more. So much trouble in the world. War is in the air on wings of rumors. Natural disaster will bring Babylon the or to her knees on. The ground goes around, comes around, now your turn. Same old story, no, I already told the people it's going to rain. You can rest upon that fact, like the torch of the water bearer. I have come from the years to the war of time to activate all the hidden altars of desire, to the day of fulfillment of self-control. Like a flower which blooms in new season, the rest which cures the illness of battle
is the weapon of victory.
Three-eye atlas shows Yahweh.
Enki and Enlil on the one. Enki and Enlil on the one. On the one, on the one.
Pure lyric is truth in rays of sun.
All the flowers know it and they are laughing.
This is song of the cosmic rain. You are now in tune on the one, the force itself.
The holy master blaster jamming.
Ital Iman, I say.
Jah time is nigh. Jah time is nigh.
Yeah.
We jamming till the break of dawn. We are all chosen, thus we are here. Yet we range in ranks, it is a blessing to feel, to know you are the one. Bob Marley paid the price for our sins. He said, no bullet can stop us now. We neither beg nor we won't bow. Neither can be bought nor sold. We all defend the right. Jaja children must unite. Your life is worth much more than gold. Bob Marley died for our sins. He said, have no fear of atomic energy. None of them can stop the time. The technology is called jamming. The songs of the prophets were in the key of life, known as redemption songs. I am the master blaster jamming. Ital Iman. The prophets, they have paved the way. I can remember when dreadlocks were not cool. Back then they call us the fool. Natty Dread never give up. The demons could not defeat us, so they turned it into a fashion, not knowing in the art of war it took the heat from our feet. Rastafari trod on. The demons were so ignorant. When we would get upon mass transit, they would be turning up their nose, they would in their psychosis be smelling incense in the air that was not there. And still today, evil is oftentimes ignorance, not knowing itself to be so. For this is wisdom, if there is to be the false flag, Project Bluebeam, fake alien invasion. It is only to distract you from the reality that is coming. This will be the climax of the psychological race war. The alien agenda is an illusion. The ancient pyramid builders left their face in stone, that we know what they look like when they return. Mothership is on her way. Natty, get ready to go to Zion. This is what the Rasta man come to say. Funny how everybody wanna be the one until that day. One eye can see the handwriting on the walls of time, the disappointment in your eyes, the face on the Sphinx coming down from the skies. The disappointment, the preacher, the teacher lies. No creatures, reptilians, grays, nor blue-eyed Jesus. Noah told the people it would rain. No one believed him until all became helter-skelter. It was too late. What goes around comes around, same old story. Angels coming to redeem the ones with the right information. The few, the masses in shock. One man and God has always been the majority. The black meat coming in the clouds. You can run but you cannot hide. Government cannot save you. No cave, no place to run. Your day is over. You have had all your your fun, what you did to the black slaves then and now you must pay. Karma is but the proof of God. I am the Rastafari, Ital Iman, and you are now in tune on the wonder force itself. At this time we call it the Holy Master Blaster jamming. This is a warning, prepare yourselves for the return of the pyramid. Builders, the Anunnaki, what the ancient Egyptians all make. The Hopi, the Dogon, the Rastafari said is true. In a few years, in 2027, your fate depends on you. White people and ignorant blacks, hear me when I say you have reached that final day. Evil is oftentimes ignorance, not knowing itself to be so. Ayo, ayo, yo, yo. Ayo, ayo, yo, yo. Mothership is on her way. We have reached the final day. Jam until the break of dawn.